Hi everybody and welcome back, and today we're going to be opening up our vape tin. Yes, we got the vape, it's upside down, but we do have it. The vape tins is right here. All I've done was actually popped open the tape. We're going to be looking at this for the first time together as usual, and I've really missed my vape tins. So let's go ahead and open up the box. It just comes with wrapping. And then, as usual, it does come with a vape tin box. So it is a tin box that your subscription comes in. There are 3 different subscription types. You've actually got a liquid tin, you've got a signature tin, and a modern tin. So the liquid tin comes with 300 to 400 mils of e-liquid. The signature tin comes with, and accessories. So it could be like coils or cotton or something like that. For the signature tin, which is one of my favorites, it actually comes with some sort of hardware, whether it be a sub-ohm tank or an RDA, as well as the e-liquid, and then of course your accessories. And then the modern tin will come with some e-liquids and a mod or a kit together with your accessories. So they do have the 3 versions. The prices on those are $69.99 for the liquid tin. For the signature tin, it is $74.99, and then for the modern tin, it is $99.99. Now, if you do subscribe to get it monthly automatically, which you can change plan to plan. So say, for instance, you have the modern tin, next month you want the signature tin, you can change within their subscription service without any extra fees or canceling or anything like that. If you do subscribe, you actually get a discount of 7% off of the normal price. So you are getting a deal, plus you're getting it shipped every single month. You don't even have to pick it. It could be a surprise. The only thing is when you get these or when you first sign up, you do want to go ahead and put in your preference. That means, do you like mods? Do you like squonk mods? Do you like tanks? Do you like RTAs, RDAs? What is your flavor profile? Do you like all fruits, or do you like some desserts and fruits and not tobacco flavor? You want to make sure that you're setting that up so that you're actually getting the tin that works best for you and for the way that you like to vape. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and open this box up. And I swear it looks a little bit more golden, but it could be my eyes. So I'm going to open it up, and it looks like I have the liquid tin in this one. And right here, you're going to get, I'm not sure what this is, but it's a little sample package. And then you're going to get the card. I do have the liquid tin, so this is going to tell you what you can get. 300 to 400 mils of e-liquid, always 60 ml bottles or bigger. So yeah, so inside. So I have some ohm core fused aliens in here. So this is how it comes packaged. And then they're inside. And I do have some e-liquids. I've got one hiding behind here too. And I'm super, super excited. So let's go ahead and take this out. Oh, yes, my favorite brand, Yogi. Oh my gosh, I love Yogi Farms, or Yogi, whatever it's called, Yogi Farms. This is actually a pomegranate. So this is the first one. Again, it is 60 mils. And then the next one is going to be, another all-time favorite of mine. This is from the Smoothie line. I've actually reviewed this, and this is this is the kiwi, pear, and strawberry. So it's the Kai berry. Love, love, love this stuff. Oh my God. They actually have this regular or on ice if you like it. Gotta check out Smoothie. And then, let's take out some of this. We've got from the Profit Premium E-Liquids S'mores. Yum. Yes, yes, yes. Love s'mores. And then we've got, this is actually from Goodest. I guess that's it. It's just that good. And this is actually, and this right here is from Goodest right there. This says that it has notes of cookie crumble, strawberry shortcake, rich cream, and crystallized sugar. I am excited to try this. This is right up my alley. Again, put in your preferences, what you like, what you don't, so that way they can better curate your box. And then this one is More Vapes. It's like such a light writing, like you can barely see it. More Vapes. And this one is, I have no idea. Let's see what it is. I cannot see through the pack. It's so yellow that I can't see. So we'll just open it up and take it out. And this one is a 100 ml bottle. Look at that. Look at the size of that one. Whoa, what? More Vapes, and this is lemon cake. This is what it looks like. So yeah, I've got 100 ml of this. I've got that 60 ml of the Profit. I've got a 60 ml of the Yogi, which I really want to try. I actually just picked up this one myself, this peanut butter, what is it, peanut butter? It's granola, peanut butter and banana granola, and I'm loving it. I love the Yogi brand, so I'm really happy with this. And then I've got some new flavors that I haven't tried, which I'm really excited. This one, it's just that good. This Goodest is really exciting to me. So yeah, so we've got this 180, 280, 340, and then some coils. So yeah, for the price, it's really awesome. Again, the tin is $69.99, but if you have the monthly subscription, it's actually $65.32, which is not bad considering the prices of e-liquids. So I really like that. So 340 mils of e-liquids, some coils. I'm super pleased about this. Right now, if you sign up and you use FIRST as your code, all caps FIRST, you actually get 10% off of your first subscription. So you do have to be subscribed for the monthly service, but again, you can change it. You can have the liquid tin, you can have the signature tin, you can have the modern tin. I've had them all and they are all absolutely amazing. You want to go to vapetins.com, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, going from month to month, you can cancel at any time. There's no penalties. Definitely my favorite vape subscription ever. I mean, it's been that way for over a year now. Absolutely love VAPETINS. Thank you so much for sending this my way for review. I'm super stoked to try these flavors out. I've got lemon cake, I've got fruits, I've got desserts, I've got granola. I mean, I've got everything that you want. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. If you liked the review, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you did not, give it a thumbs down. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and make sure that you hit the bell notification so that you're notified anytime that I upload any new content. And vapetins.com is where you can go for this stuff here. And again, use that code FIRST on your first order and you actually get 10% off. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.